English Podcast Spot. Learn English with podcast.
Hey everyone, welcome back to English Podcast Spot. I'm Emma.
And I'm David. Hi, happy to be here.
So today we're talking about something important. How do you remember new words?
Oh, this is a big one. Everyone has this problem.
Exactly. You learn a word today, and 2 days later, it's gone.
Completely gone.
So today we're sharing some simple tricks that actually work.
And we both use these every day.
All right, let's jump in. First question. Why do we forget words so fast?
Our brain is really busy. We see so many words every day.
Exactly. Your brain has to choose. What's important? What can I throw away?
Right. If you don't use a word again, your brain thinks, I don't need this.
And then it's gone. Deleted.
So repetition is super important. Repetition means doing something again and again.
Let me give you an example. You learn the word anxious.
Anxious means worried or nervous, right?
Yes. You read it once, you think, okay, I know it now.
But do you really?
Probably not. If you don't see that word for 2 weeks, you'll forget it.
But if you see it 3 times this week, your brain thinks, oh, this is important.
Exactly. So rule number 1, use new words more than once.
Okay, but there's another problem.
What's that?
Sometimes we just memorize the meaning. We don't really feel the word.
Oh, good point. What do you mean?
Let's say you learn exhausted. It means very, very tired.
Right.
But if you just think exhausted equals tired, that's boring. Your brain won't remember it.
So what should we do?
Connect the word to something real, something from your life.
Like a memory?
Exactly. Think about a time when you were really exhausted. Maybe after a long day at work.
Oh, I see. So you connect the word to a feeling.
Yes, feelings are strong. Your brain remembers feelings better than definitions.
That's smart. Okay, let's talk about tricks. How can we remember words better?
First trick, write it down.
You mean like in a notebook?
Yes, but don't just write the word and meaning. Write a full sentence.
Why?
Because when you write a sentence, you're using the word.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, you learn opportunity. It means a chance to do something good.
Okay.
Don't just write opportunity equals chance. Write, I had an opportunity to travel last year.
Oh, I see. You're making it personal.
Exactly. And when it's personal, your brain remembers it better.
What's the next trick?
Second trick, say it out loud.
Out loud?
Yes, don't just read the word in your head. Actually say it.
Why does that help?
Because when you speak, you use more parts of your brain. You're hearing it. You're feeling your mouth move.
Okay, so I should talk to myself.
Yes, I do it all the time. It works.
All right, I like it. What else?
Third trick, use pictures.
Pictures.
Yeah, let's say you're learning confident. It means feeling sure about yourself.
Okay.
Think of a person who looks confident, maybe a friend, or yourself in a good moment.
So you're connecting the word to an image.
Exactly. Your brain loves images. Much easier to remember than just words.
Good tip.
And here's another one. Fourth trick. Use the word 3 times in one day.
3 times?
Yes, once is not enough. If you really want to remember, use it 3 times.
How?
Easy. Let's say you learn achieve. It means to reach a goal.
Okay.
First time, write it in a sentence. I want to achieve my goals this year.
Got it.
Second time, say it to yourself. What do I want to achieve today?
Okay.
Third time, use it before you sleep, in your journal, or just think about it.
Wow, that's smart. 3 times and your brain will remember.
Exactly. 3 times is the magic number.
What about apps?
I use flashcards sometimes. You know, cards with a word on one side and meaning on the other.
Yeah, I know flashcards.
But don't just flip the card and move on. Really think about it. Try to remember a sentence with that word.
So, even with apps, make it personal.
Exactly. The app is just a tool. The real work happens in your brain.
Okay, quick recap. Recap means going over everything again.
Perfect. First, use new words more than once. Repetition is key.
Second, connect words to feelings or memories.
Third, write full sentences.
Fourth, say words out loud.
Fifth, think of pictures or images.
And sixth, use each word 3 times in one day.
3 times. Magic number.
I feel like I can actually do this now.
You can. And it gets easier with time.
Really?
Yeah. At first it feels like work, but after a few weeks it becomes a habit. A habit is something you do without thinking.
So remembering words becomes automatic.
Exactly. Your brain learns how to learn.
All right, we're almost at the end.
Time goes fast.
It does. So one last thing. What's your number 1 tip?
My number 1 tip? Just start. Don't wait for the perfect method. Pick one trick and try it today.
I agree. The hardest part is starting.
Exactly. Even if you remember just one word today, that's progress. Progress means moving forward.
And remember, everyone forgets words sometimes. Even native speakers.
True. Don't be hard on yourself.
Just keep going. Every day you're getting better.
You're doing great. Really.
All right, everyone, that's it for today. Thanks for listening.
Thanks for having me.
Don't forget to subscribe. New episodes every week.
See you next time.
Bye!
Bye.